Hey guys, what is up? Mr. Code Shorts here, and we are going to be installing Python today and getting started programming in Python on Windows 10. So first what we're going to go and do is go to python.org/downloads, and this will give us a list of downloads here for if you need a different version or etc. If you're new to Python, best is to just simply click here, download Python 3.9.6. Then go and open it. Looks like the newest version is, of course, 3.9.6. And what you want to do is click the Install Now only after you click Add Python 3.9 to Path. What this does on Windows is that it allows you to run a Python programming file from anywhere without having to specifically call out that it's a Python file, which I will show here in just a second. So we'll click Install Now, and it will run through installing the Python language. The reason you have to install Python is because it is an interpreted language. So it means that instead of actually being ones and zeros whenever you write the file, the code file, which I'll show here in just a second, it converts all of that whenever you try to run the program as to converting it like C or C++. They're both compiled languages, which you would compile them and go to ones and zeros straight binary before you would run the program. So now that we have installed Python 3.9.6, what we're going to do, what's the easiest thing to do, just right click on the desktop, choose a new text document, and name this, how about test Python? And the critical thing here is to name it .py at the end. That's the file extension for Python programming. And you'll notice it shows the Python symbol on the side here. Now to the easiest way to open Python and work with a Python file is Visual Studio Code or Atom. This is some type of editor. It just allows you to write code efficiently. So here we've opened the test python.py, and now it's ready for us to start programming. Of course, if you want to be able to run Python inside of Visual Studio Code, what you can do is come over here and go find the Python add-in, and then there'll be a little button here just to click and say install. Once you've done that, it should take care of installing everything. It'll restart Visual Studio Code, and you'll be able to run Python using this little play button up here, the play button up there. So the simplest command to do in Python is the print command. What this will do is in the console, which is a little window where your program will run, what this will do is it will return or show anything that you put in here. So print, how about I am the best, exclamation point. Very simple, one command, and then where you're going to pass it. The reason I put the text here inside of quotation marks is because this is what tells Python that this is text as opposed to a number, which is more critical later when you get into dealing with numbers in Python, but this is the simple way to get started. So once you've done that, you can come up to File and say Save, and then if you run it, you will see here it found it on my desktop, ran the program, which printed out I am the best, and then it closed back up. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the simple way of getting Python set up. So don't forget to add it to the path whenever you install it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 o'clock Central Time for a new Code Shorts video.